So, hubby made a new friend outside of work, and that is 100% out of character. I know I can't even think of someone else he might have met outside of work that he's like, let's go try and hang. So PTSD is a real thing, but looks like he's going to be okay. So today we've got Issa riding with Clay, we have new friend Pedro, and then I'll be following behind on my freewheeler. So stay tuned for more.
Ready? It's got the resonator on it, yep.
Por aquí, puro peso, por aquí, puro peso, por aquí, puro peso, puro peso, puro peso. Por aquí, puro peso, por aquí, puro peso, por aquí, puro peso, puro peso, puro peso. Esto no es jugo, es bucana. Puro Players Club, no hay damas. Lunes a domingo no hay para. Hustle today and mañana. Making money moves, no bachata. 100 on the dash, no hay para. Mamacita like the way I move. Outcast, I'm the wolf. Kill the kitty in the booth. Switch it up, they gonna lose. Dice que me quiere, pero yo no sé. Mente en dinero, puro norte como se.
Alright, y'all, thank you for stopping and checking out Just Us Riding. Today we're at Lucky Peach Harley again. And we rode with my boy here, Pedro. It's gonna be a fun day. They got a luau, some food. But anyway, y'all stick around. We'll see what's up.
I mean, as you guys know, we have our used inventory out front. But we got like 56 new bikes that came in, so we have to store some of them in the back. So most of our trikes and all the fun, other stuff is back there.
Clay, the new color for the trike?
Yeah, the 26s, yeah.
I don't like the stripe down the tank, but I do like.
Which one? On the purple one?
Yeah, that's right.
Take a look. Show me which one you see. Oh, you guys are taking pictures on this bike?
This one I don't like. This
Okay, we're just looking at. No, please. It's even better.
This could be you.
It comes with her.
Mine's back there.
Yeah. If you get this one, you can also have her. So that'll come with the package. Sorry.
It looks nice.
See, I like that one.
That one's nice.
But just the
Oh, you like the strike?
Likes the color, but not that.
Yeah, fair enough. Some days get, time to get used. You have to remind me your name one more time.
Maria.
and Clay.
Clay. That's right.
And Issa. Yes.
Hey, so I'm Drew. Nice to meet you. These are your folks?
Yes.
I met them like a couple months back. I was like, hey, I'm Drew. I can't remember you.
I like that.
I was waiting for over there for third. I went yesterday to go see if they had it in. They don't have it yet. But I just seen them right now. I said, oh shit.
Yeah, I like
So
the orange stuff.
They got the t-shirts and shit. Look at these.
Oh yeah, that's like the old motocross shirt. Yeah, that's cool.
I got the jacket. They just got the jacket too. That's the only thing they had over that third. Just the jacket.
Really?
That's it. Yeah, I see these jackets as well, but I love this one. I said I love the red, so they got some nice shit.
They got nice stuff in here.
Yeah,
they even got a lot of parts up there compared to the other one.
I need some levers, some black levers, but I want the little shorty ones.
I
didn't see them.
Ask them though. There's a lady over there. She knows her shit. Yes, she's really good.
Because I do. If they have me, I might get them.
Unless you be riding.
Now they gone with the color windshields.
Yeah.
This looks nice, but I'm not a chrome guy.
I'm not either. I am when it comes to old cars, but I want to ride these. I don't have to clean them all the time.
That's too much chrome. That's a lot of chrome.
This one is our service team did this bike.
Oh yeah?
Oh,
So
okay.
it comes full with the Empire Stage kit. So we got the handlebars, the floorboards. This one is a stage 2.
Okay.
They added stage 1 or stage 2, but they definitely added the air filter and the exhaust. And
Yeah.
these are stage 3 speakers.
Oh, this one has a stage. They just doing the one over there on Stone Road. They haven't finished it yet. I went over the Friday. They already
This thing
have
is dialed in, yep. But you can tell this bike is
Yeah, the
really
boards
well
on it.
done. Is because the back tire matches the front. So
Yeah.
they did both tires. Usually people just do the front.
Right.
Or I mean, if you know, if you want to get away with,
Yeah, it's got a custom wheel on
they
it.
gotta
for
have
sure.
to. They gotta match. Yep.
Something. Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh wow.
Those are things in the bagger world. You know, you kind of like.
Well, they should change this too then.
The only thing that kills me is on all of them, they always have the black chin spoiler, and it's like color matching.
Yeah, you might as well do the
Yeah,
chrome.
yeah, might as well go chrome too. Yeah. But it does add some variation.
Yeah.
If you dude, sit on it, bro. Feel the weight difference from your low rider ST.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Come on, you can do it. Yeah, we'll convert him.
I forgot you actually have to.
That's too big.
I forgot you actually have to.
Oh no. That's a nice bike, but I think it's too much for me.
No, that's not your style. Yeah.
It ain't
Fair
my
enough.
style. I'm a short guy. I'm small. I think it's big as that.
No,
I'll be looking
bro,
funny.
don't say that, man.
I look funny as hell.
We're 5'8", 5'9".
That's a big ass bike.
You'd be surprised. I've seen people just
Maneuver like nothing.
push it. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Even older ladies.
Yeah.
They do.
Let them drive. I'm gonna kill
Right.
them.
Yeah.
Let them feel like they're big.
I was just about to say.
Yes, absolutely.
26 models here.
Right.
Really, the only major difference that we did was paint color. So these are carryover models, as you know. We did have a very nice purple Abyss that came in yesterday. Same as the one up there.
Right.
What do you think about this striping here?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm straight.
This one was fine. Yeah. Because you looked at the RG3s. Oh. Nice. You got it.
Huh?
Like the matte blue? You like it?
I'm not too fond of most of the colors.
Fair enough.
Yeah, like the matte blue was like no, and then that was like a, I don't know, it's a weird
It's
orange.
called
It might-
blood orange. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
a
weird.
mix of bright red and orange. And blood orange. Well, we got basic vivid black here. This one's dark billiard gray. Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
I can say how much darker, just a little bit darker.
Yeah, it's barely, isn't it?
You know, it's dark billiard gray.
She's not mine.
See, I like I think the newest one I like, the color is the black and green.
Black and green.
Yeah, with the gold little stripe in
You know what's
between.
crazy? Everybody, when the green comes in,
Yeah, it's a good looking color.
it's out every time. Every time we get a green in.
It's kind of different.
Green are out every time. Everybody loves that green, I'm not gonna lie to you.
The hair supplements in a shirt, but they're on here.
So we'll get you hooked up. How about I pay for the clothes and shit, and you pay for your ticket?
What ticket? Oh,
Everybody stand up. Everybody put your hands up. Everybody bounce with me. Some champagne and burn a little. Everybody stand up. Everybody put your hands up. Everybody bounce with me. Some champagne and burn a little.
Place you can put it on your bike.
Okay.
Am I holding it the right way, or am I
Yes,
filming
you are.
myself
It
again?
goes on the lowest place of their bike, and it's supposed to keep the road gremlins and give you good luck, is what it means.
Oh wow. Okay.
So it's not. Yeah, man.
Thank you.
It was awesome.
Okay.
Let's
Now,
look, let's see.
how do you hang it though?
You can do however you want. I did a little bit of like a metal wire, like
Okay.
you know, like you would secure bolts with.
Okay.
or
Okay.
racing
Just turn it
wire.
around. Okay.
I found something in there underneath that I could put in. I mean, you don't even have to use it.
You'll
if you
see ours.
want.
We've got some on ours.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
All right. So what'd you think about the place today, guys?
It was good.
He said it was in the hood, though.
It is. It is. It is. I'm not gonna lie. Will I come again? Highly chances now.
People are nice, though.
It wasn't bad. Have I ever been over here? No. Will I come back? maybe not. It's not my kind of theme. I would say it's something different. Like it's really, really far.
Yeah.
I didn't even know how to get over here. Like I was just following you. Like right now, if I was to tell me to go home, I wouldn't know how to go home. I would use the GPS.
I mean, what time
I
is
don't know
it
how to get
now?
home.
I don't even know.
It's 2:27. I mean, we could go to the one in Noonan and then go back to
That's
Atlanta.
fine. That's why you want to ride.
Y'all want to do that? Go to the one in
can do
Noonan
that.
and then go to the Atlanta Harley?
Okay.
Cool. Let's go.
All right.
That's a nice bike. That's all he was looking at. He was looking at me like that. He's been looking at that forever.
I know.
Little Cholo vibe.
Yeah, got that West Coast vibe.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty. Is that like a 03 model?
Anniversary.
And he has the cover on top.
Yeah.
The blanket.
A lot of people take those blankets and put the speakers in there.
Correct.
I had it in there. Didn't sound that good.
No?
Yeah, that's why I went with
Oh, I
these.
got you.
It looks nice though. I like
I
the white
love
walls. White walls look nice.
I love white.
Yeah, the white walls made it.
Truck rolling, road on in. Truck rolling, me and my friends. Truck rolling, night feels right. Truck rolling, Texas drive. Wow, wow,
Oh, we gotta check in.
Oh yeah, you gotta check in.
I think the location for that red house. That's a nice location. Yeah, that's where the waterfall is there. That thing is good. That's
Oh, it's the Suzuki. Ooh. He's an Indian.
Butterclothes, line one. Butterclothes, line one.
Yeah, I like the blue.
I like that one, yeah.
We're in Noonan, Georgia, at Great Southern Harley Davidson or something like that.
Great South.
Great South Harley Davidson. So we're trying to do the riding challenge, do 3 dealerships, over 200 miles. So we've kind of done it all in one day. So we got one more dealership to go, and that'll be Atlanta Harley. That's kind of like our home base Harley. So we're easily behind the cameras when we work. But it's been fun. We had some good food. It was really good. Banana pudding was off the chain. Barbecue, the sauce was amazing too, though. I like that one with the red, white, and blue Harley.
Yeah, I like that too.
And look at the one over there. It's got the chameleon paint job. It's green and purple.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I like those. I like the Sportsters. You can cut up. I won't do that, but just saying. So we got an apple juice over here because we are 12.
They don't even have the sweater. I should have bought the sweater over there.
Really?
I looked.
The orange one?
Well, yes, but in the black version they don't have it. They only have the shirts. That was a sign to buy it over there.
The one with the flag on it?
The one you put on? I thought you were gonna
No,
get
it was the one that had the orange, like the
It had
orange
orange. I
t-shirt.
think it had a flag on one
Correct.
side.
And then it had a little Speedy Johnny, little pig in the back.
Yeah.
But they had it in black. They don't have it here. They only have the t-shirts. I'm like, I was thinking, but you got coat on that. I was thinking on the way back. Yeah, I have a hoodie in there, but it won't be signed.
You have to follow them. They're just like,
Yeah. I know. Women be shopping. Some right now.
Where we get the chips at?
Usually by the register.
Over there where that young lady is there. we made it to Atlanta Harley. So we got 3 dealerships in one day.
Yes.
That's a long ride today.
No shit.
It was a couple hundred miles, all metro driving, not interstate. It's just all back roads.
We left the house at 10:30.
Yeah, and we just got back at 6:30 now.
It was at 6:30. Okay.
And we rode with Pedro.
We did ride with Pedro.
So vote for Pedro. So
He's gonna hate you for that.
he'll probably laugh.
New friend.
Yeah, so I met him at a Harley shop. I normally don't talk to a lot of people. I mean, I'm nice, but I don't, like, you know.
He doesn't make friends.
No, not at all. So, but yeah, so we ended up just talking a lot that day, and neither one of us were on our bikes because it was raining. And then, yeah, he hit me up, and we arranged everything, and it was fun.
It was a lot of fun.
He was a pretty cool guy. Now, did you have fun?
I had a blast. I'm not gonna lie. I was kind of feeling a little ick.
Come up here.
They can see me, remember?
I'm just saying for hearing purposes.
I was feeling a little ick this morning. Not sick, just every once in a while, you know how you kind of get in your head. Not even in my head. I was just kind of down. I think the weather.
Just dragging ass.
Okay, yeah, that's what it was. I was dragging ass. But I was real close to saying, go ahead and go with your friend and go have fun or whatever. But I didn't do that. I went. I'm glad I went. It was a lot of fun. It got me out of my funk. That's what it was. I was in a funk. And it was a lot of miles.
That's your longest ride ever.
You think?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And then Issa's bony ass got hurt.
Oh,
and
sorry.
We were doing the outro. It's all right. Come on, tell them what you thought about today.
What did you think about today? You got your light
Come
on,
in,
your
lean in.
camera light.
Oh, like the worst camera. Was very awesome, very cool, super chill for me because I don't do anything but sit there. So very awesome sauce, and I got some cool outfits. Thank you guys.
Yep.
And
she starts work at Atlanta Harley. You excited?
yes, I'm very excited. It's gonna be awesome sauce.
But that's it, y'all. So thanks.
You're way over there now.
That's it, y'all. We had fun. We did a lot of miles. I think I completed my challenges on the last day for the Harley
did
app.
you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so I should get my little digital coin, which is crazy. I don't get all that, but
He gave a bell away today to Pedro because he never had one.
yeah. So yeah, he didn't have a bell, so we got him one.
But anyways, lots of fun. Enjoyed it. Y'all be safe.
Stay safe. Stay riding.
Yep.
And,
Peace out.
yeah. Thank you for watching. And I'm going to keep you updated on the Jeep. So the Jeep is still not back. They still got it. It won't be till Tuesday till the radio gets there, gets delivered, gets installed. I don't know, but they won't talk to me on the phone. Go figure. They only do text messaging, yeah. And they haven't mentioned anything about the antifreeze or the other complaint of the growling or grinding in the right front. So we'll see what's up, but I will video that when we pick it up. And that's it, y'all. Just an update.